Hello, teacher friends. This video is going to be about cross-listing, and it is my second attempt to create this for you. I made a beautiful video yesterday where I cross-listed multiple sections, and then it didn't save. So we're going to try again with what I have left because, and here's a good reminder, be careful when you cross-list. Our district doesn't give us an option to undo. It is not it is not something that we have access to. We do have an option to re-cross list, but not one to de-cross list. So that being said, we're going to be real careful in this process today. And fortunately, I have one class that I forgot to cross list yesterday. So we're going to make that happen. Let's jump right in. You can see in my courses, I have a couple of things going on here. I already cross-listed my English courses, and there are two possible reasons you're going to need to cross-list. Either you have multiple sections in the same class period, which is what I'm going to be doing with you today. I have 4 different sections in my 6th period drama class. Or, very possibly, you have multiple periods of the same subject. And so you would need to cross-list those as well. So I've already done that with my English class. But for drama, we're going to cross-list. We need this class and this class to be joined together. This is my advanced, my most advanced, the kids who've had it for 4 years. But they're still going to be getting the same content as the kids who are taking it for the first time. So we're going to open up. I'm going to call this my core class. You're going to start with one class, and that's the class you're going to use to cross-list all other sections. So I'm going to open this guy up. I'm going to try and move quickly. We're going to go into settings. We're going to just kind of live in the settings for these processes. And in the first class, your main class, the one everything else is being listed into, you're going to change the name. So I'm going to call this class. Oh, I typed it earlier, so there it is. Advanced Drama 2021-22 Fall. I like to include both the year and the semester because it makes it easier to find if I needed to in future years to come back to this one. I also changed my course code because it's just easier. Advanced Drama Fall, simple, keep it simple, and then come down to the bottom and update course details. And then in order to put your other class sections into this one, you need the 5-digit code, which you can find up here in the URL. So mine is 93971. And I'm going to Control C is the shortcut to copy. So copy that. Head back to your dashboard and into the class you want to combine into the first one. So this is the one my other period 6 class, my advanced. I'm going to select it. And again, you're going into settings. You will see I'm already in up here at the top. We're going to use this top navigation. I'm not going to change anything in course details here. I don't need to change anything here. But I'm going to go into sections, and you'll see you just have this one little section. Select the section. It's a blue link. And over here, you're going to click the option that says cross-list this section. So course code, that code you copied 5 digits, paste it in there, and enter. And you have to click enter. If you don't click enter, it can't search for the class. Here's my class. You can see the renamed course. And now I can cross-list this section. Boom, done. If I go back now, if I go back to the first class, the one that we renamed, you will see this. Ooh, not English. English wasn't where I wanted to go. No. Sometimes that happens. You click the wrong thing. If I go back into my advanced drama class, the one we renamed initially, and down into settings, and again into sections, you will see there it is, Advanced Drama Honors H, Advanced Drama H, Period 6, Silverstein, and it's been moved into my larger shell. Every class you cross list, you'll see I have 4 in here now. So I've cross listed 3 to join the original one, my period 1. Every one that you cross list, you need that same number, this first number, and you'll do them the same way. Hopefully this video is helpful. I know I was only able to cross list one section for you in it, but if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, or if you're on my staff, email me. I'm sure that'll work better. Happy cross listing, y'all.